Yeah.
So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Ayush from Mr. Tech Engine, and today we will be seeing the new version which was uploaded yesterday. That is the new Corvus OS version 8.5, which is official. Build date is 26/8/2020 and the device is Redmi Note 5 Pro. Tenor is Narses, and the link will be given in the description below, so you can go and check it out, and the link of the Telegram group will also be given in the description box, so you can check out and join the group for the latest update. So without any further ado, let's see some of the new function and what are the changes in this ROM. So let's see the settings. As you can see, go to 11 layer. As you can see, the Corvus part has been removed. Go to notification. You can check this notification light. Go to miscellaneous, rounded corners. Go back to second lock screen style. Go to lock charging animation. You can change to drop or any other things. Status bar, lock screen charging information, virtualizer. Go to fingerprint. Here you can switch on the vibration, error vibration, and the fingerprint unlock directly. Go to other. Go to battery options, charging LED, aggressive battery, battery bar, battery location, and you can change it to portrait. You can change the battery percentage inside the icon, or if you want you can choose next to the icon, or you can also hide it. Go to carrier level. You can switch it on, like you want the carrier level in the lock screen, so you can choose lock screen. Go back, status bar clock option. You can change from left to center, and you can change AM PM style, date. You can switch on the second. As you can see, it has changed. You can change the font, clock font size, and other things. Go to icon manager, status bar icon, notification count, custom logo. Here you can see. Go back, quick settings, smart pull down, quick QS pull down, vibrate on touch, you can on or off it. Traffic indicator, switch on, switch it on, and you will get the speed of the internet there. Go back, go to settings. You can change the button style and other things. Volume rocker update, volume key cursor control, volume panel down left or right, navigation. You can arrow animation and other things. Haptic feedback, power menu. You can switch on the advanced reset option. Let's go back, go to themes. You can change the font type, like Google Send. You can see it has changed. Icon shape, like vessel. As you can see, it will change like this. To default QS quick start guide, you can change. Status bar icon, header style, switch style, theme you can change to pitch black. It will turn into black theme. There are many other options. You can change it. You can also schedule the time of the dark mode and the light mode. Go to network and internet, Bluetooth devices. You can see the animation, battery. You can see the battery, adaptive battery, smart charging, last full charge 2 hours ago. Go to display, sound, security. Here you get face unlock option for more security. Xiaomi parts, headphone gain, microphone gain, MI sound enhancer and other things. Go to system, you can gesture. System navigation, you can change to 2 button. Adaptive playback, developer option. Let's go to about phone. Let's go to Android version. As you can see, the Android version 10, CoreOS version 8.5, official device Redmi Note 5 Pro. Specification: Android security update is of 5 August. Build date is of 26th August. The default camera you get in this ROM is the MI default camera. As you can see, it is working perfectly fine. Everything is working. You can shoot up to 4K, as you can see. Let's go back. Let's see the volt is working perfectly or not. Let's go to dialer app and dial 198.
Welcome to Jio हिंदी के लिए.
As you can see, it is working perfectly. This is the message app. This is the quick toggle. You get screen recording, gaming mode and other things. Let's see the installation. So for installing this ROM in your phone, you need a ROM file which should be in the internal storage, and your phone bootloader must be open, and you need a custom recovery to flash this ROM. So for flashing, just turn off your phone to recovery mode. It will boot into recovery mode. As you can see, my phone is started. This is the Orange Fox recovery which I am using to flash it. As you can see, it has opened, and for installing it, you need to go to wipe, Dalvik, catch, system, vendor, data, and swipe to wipe. Then go to files, search for the ROM file where you have kept it. Like go to download. I have kept in download file. As you can see, the CoreOS file, and swipe right to flash it. And if you want performance and good battery life, and for gaming users, you should install the Agni firmware and the Agni kernel. So let's reboot. As you can see, my phone has rebooted successfully. So yeah, this was the video on CoreOS 8.5, the review and the installation process. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get the notification of my new upcoming videos.
Yeah.